When World War II began in 1939, the world imagined tanks, bombs, soldiers, and front lines. But behind every front line, there was another silent battlefield, one where millions of women fought a war they never signed up for. This is the story of how World War II became a nightmare for women everywhere. As the men marched off to fight, entire societies collapsed onto the shoulders of women. Factories that once belonged to skilled male workers now depended on mothers, daughters, and widows. They worked 14-hour shifts, inhaling dust and chemicals, building weapons powerful enough to destroy cities, yet earning half the wages men received. Their hands built the machines of war, but their sacrifices rarely made the headlines. In Eastern Europe, the nightmare reached a terrifying scale. When armies invaded villages, women were often the first targets. Homes became prisons, streets turned into hunting grounds. Countless women were subjected to violence so brutal that many refused to speak of it for the rest of their lives. For them, the war didn't just destroy cities, it shattered their sense of safety forever. In Nazi-occupied territories, women faced a different horror: forced labor camps. They were starved, beaten, and worked until their bodies collapsed, all while living with the fear that tomorrow might be their last day. Many were separated from their children and forced to watch their families disappear behind barbed wire. Meanwhile, in Japan's empire, thousands of women, many still teenagers, were taken from Korea, China, and the Philippines and forced into comfort stations. These women lived through cruelty that defies imagination. Their suffering remained hidden for decades, buried beneath politics and silence. Even in Allied countries, women weren't truly safe. While they played a crucial role as nurses, codebreakers, and resistance fighters, they also endured constant discrimination. They stepped into dangerous roles, saved lives, and served their nations, only to be pushed aside when the war ended, told to return to the kitchen as if their courage had never mattered. World War II changed the world, but for women, it carved scars that would last generations. Behind every victory parade and historical photograph lies a story of a woman who survived hunger, fear, and violence, and whose strength kept nations standing. This is why World War II wasn't just a military conflict. For millions of women, it was a nightmare they lived through in silence. A nightmare the world is only now beginning